Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on entrepreneurship, side hustles, and passive income and all things money. So today we are going to talk about side hustles that you can do from your phone. This is attractive because if you don't have a computer, you can do this, or if you just want to do this a couple of minutes before you fall asleep or whatever the case is, you have your phone. A lot of people have smartphones. So let's jump in. Number one is PopUp House. So what is PopUp House? You can earn an average of $3,000 a month with this website. So this website is a caring, like a companion caring job. Like you can help busy households, you can help elderly people, you can help anybody who signs up for this website who requests help. You can go and cook meals, deliver stuff. It's a gamut of things that you can do. And this is something that you can do from your phone. I'll put a couple of links down in the description below from this website on how it works and how to get started. Number two is Upside is an app. It's more of a savings app than an income app, but you download this app and you can use it for local restaurants, gas stations. They're accepted in over 50,000 locations, like gas station locations in the US. So you use the app, you buy gas, and then you save money on the gas. If you have a car, then you're buying gas. This is a lot of people. Definitely download this app and use this app. You get reward points to different places when you use this app. So I would download this app. This is a really fun app. I have it. I use it every time I go to the gas station and every time I go to the stores, the local restaurants like Domino's and things like that. You can get points. So number three is Item. It is a website where you can upload your pictures and get paid for them. So everybody has a smartphone. So you can start snapping pictures. They don't have to be 4K, but we know that smartphones are capable of doing 4K, so you can do 4K. But you upload your pictures and you get 55% of the profit from your photo. So how much do the photos sell for? This website sells to other companies, sells your photos to other companies for $350. So you get 55% of that back from your photo. So go on there, create a contributor account and start snapping photos. And I would go on there and just kind of look at what's there. So you are taking photos of the appropriate things and then uploading, and then you have a better chance of a company purchasing your uploaded photos. This takes absolutely very minimal time, because think of how many photos that we already take. So if you're outside for a walk, you can take a photo of a flower or a tree or whatever it is. A lot of landscape photos are easy to take. And then you can upload those photos, and then when a company buys them, you get 55% of the purchase price. So this is really something you can do from your phone, and this will turn out to be passive later on if you have a good portfolio of a good stock of photos. Number four, field agent. So what is a field agent? Field agents harnesses the smartphones of the shoppers across the country to help brands, retailers, and agencies spot, fix, sell, learn, and grow. So as a field agent, what you're basically going to be doing is going into the store, taking a photo of whatever they assign you to take a photo of, and then uploading it back to them. Most of these types of things will earn you about $10 to $5 a task. So $5 to $10 a task. So if you're already in a certain area and you have an assignment that you click on, that you accept, and it says, go into this grocery store and take a picture of the fruit display. You're already in the area. They're not asking you to drive like 50 miles out of the way. You only accept the assignments that you want to accept. So when you're looking at them, a way to save money while you're doing this, because $10 is not a lot of money, but a way to save money while you're doing this is just do it when you're already out and about, or just do it in the area where you are at the time. So you're not driving all over the place trying to do these assignments, or just dedicate like half a day a week to them or something like that. But this is a really good side hustle for people who have free time, and you can do it from your phone. And if you just want to get out and about, this is also a good side hustle. So go to fieldagents.com and then sign up there. Number five is Study Pool. So Study Pool is a website where you can upload your old high school or college notes, your papers and things like that, and like reference documents, like study documents. and they have papers and study documents from all different topics like algebra, chemistry, physics, social studies, English, whatever the case is. If your notes are still in, tact and you can read them, then go on this website, create a profile, and type up your old notes. And how you get paid is when somebody views your paper or your notes, you get $10 for that view. So this can make you a lot of money for your old notes that are just sitting on your old computer, just collecting dust. I would go on there and upload your old notes and upload your old test notes and reference papers and things like that. And then what students can do is they can look at those notes if they're in the same class. And then, so on this platform, Study Pool, you can earn up to $5K a month selling your old documents. Go ahead and upload your documents, type them and upload them, and start getting paid. So number 6 is mobile notary. So what is a mobile notary? What do they actually do? You need a mobile notary to sign paperwork like loan closings and articles of incorporation, legal documents, different things like that is what you'll need a notary for. So the difference between a mobile notary is that when that office needs a notary, they call you, the mobile notary, and you drive there and you notarize the documents, and then that is all you do. You're done. You can also write off any travel that you have related to your mobile notary business because it is a business expense. So this is a really lucrative business. You can get your mobile notary certification, and then you can advertise yourself on Fiverr and Upwork, and on your LinkedIn profile. You can add that as one of your specialties. According to Google, the average notary makes $5,500 a month. Number 7 is user-generated content. So what is user-generated content? It's UGC. So what a person would do here is if they have a TikTok, they would test out products and then give reviews on that product. And a lot of these people make a lot of money doing this. Like if you go to TikTok and type in UGC, you will see users who are just reviewing products. So they have UGC in front of their profile name and they test out lipsticks and makeup, any product, you name it, it is there, and they're getting paid to do this either from the views, or most of them are getting paid from the person who makes the product itself. But if you want to just get started, you could shoot a few videos on products that you already own and how well they work or how they work, and specify that to the people who are viewing your content. UGC, this is beneficial for non-influencers, people who do not want to just talk about one thing. They just want to talk about products in general. If I were you, if you want to get started with this, get a TikTok page, start doing some research on the products, get a product, and then review it, and then go from there. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If any of these tips helped you, please let me know which one you're going to try by commenting down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.